Break into. To enter a building illegally by force. For example, someone broke into the house last night. Come back. To return to a place. For example, he came back home after work.
Run into. To meet someone unexpectedly. For example, I ran into an old friend at the cafe.
Make up. To become friends again after an argument. For example, they made up after their disagreement. Bring back. To return with something. For example, she brought back a souvenir from her trip.
Take up. To start a new activity or hobby. For example, he took up playing the guitar.
Look up. To search for information. For example, she looked up the word in a dictionary.
Look forward to. To feel excited about something that will happen. For example, she is looking forward to her vacation.
Come up with. To think of or create an idea. For example, she came up with a brilliant idea.
Get rid of. To remove or dispose of something unwanted. For example, she got rid of her old clothes. Turn down. To refuse or reject something. For example, she turned down the invitation.
Put up with. To tolerate something unpleasant. For example, she puts up with the noise every day. Make do with. To monk. To manage with what is available. We had no spoon, so we made do with a fork.
Catch up. To reach the same level or position as someone. For example, he ran to catch up with his friends.
Hold on. To hold something tightly or wait. For example, hold on to the handrail.
Cut down on. To reduce the amount of something. For example, he is cutting down on sugar.
Turn up. To arrive or appear. For example, he turned up a party late.
Deal with. To handle or manage a problem. For example, she dealt with the complaint professionally.
Point out. To draw attention to something. For example, the teacher pointed out a mistake.
Look out. To warn someone about danger. For example, look out! There's a branch above you.
Hand in. To give something to a teacher or authority. For example, she handed in her assignment.
Back up. To move backward. For example, he backed up the car carefully. Go ahead. To proceed or do something after permission. For example, she asked if she could enter, and he said, "Go ahead."
Slow down. Slow down. This means to reduce speed. For example, he slowed down near the school.
Break down. To stop working. For example, my car broke down on the way home.
Take off. To leave the ground and begin flying. For example, the plane took off on time.
Look after. To take care of someone. For example, she looks after her little brother.
Break up. To end a romantic relationship. For example, they broke up last month.
Look into means to investigate something. For example, the police will look into the case.
Put on. To place clothing on your body. For example, he put on his jacket.
Give back. To return something to someone. For example, she gave back the book to her friend.
Hang up. To end a phone call. For example, she hung up the phone.
Keep up. To stay at the same pace as someone. For example, I walked faster to keep up with my friend.
Go over. To review or examine something carefully. For example, she went over her notes before the exam.
Bring up. To mention a topic. She brought up an important issue.
Fill out. To complete a form with information. He filled out the application form.
Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. For example, they get along very well.
Run out of. To have no more of something. For example, we ran out of milk.
Look for. To search for something. For example, she is looking for her keys.
Work out. To solve or understand something. For example, I worked out the answer.
Grow up. To become an adult. For example, he grew up in a small town.
Turn down. To refuse or reject something. For example, she turned down the job offer.
Set up. To arrange or prepare something. For example, he set up. He set up the equipment for the presentation.
Take off. To leave the ground and begin flying. For example, the plane took off on time.
Come across. To find something unexpectedly. He came across an old photograph.
Come across. To find something unexpectedly. He came across an old photograph.
Call off. To cancel something planned. For example, they called off the meeting.
Find out. To discover information. For example, she found out the truth.
Find out. To discover information. For example, she found out the truth.
Put off is to delay doing something. He put off his homework until tomorrow.
Give up, to stop trying. For example, he gave up after several attempts.
Pick up. To lift something from the ground. For example, she picked up her phone.
Turn off. To stop a device or light from working. For example, he turned off the lamp.
Run into. To meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the supermarket.
Dodge. To quickly move aside. To avoid something. For example, he dodged the ball.
Whisper. To speak very quietly. For example, she whispered a secret to her friend.
Stumble. To trip or lose your balance while walking. For example, he stumbled over a stone.
Retrieve. To get something back. For example, she retrieved her phone from the table.
Fall behind. To fail to keep up with others. To fail to keep up with others. He fell behind in his studies.